It costs £4.50 for one cinema ticket. If no discounts apply, how much does it cost for 8 people to go to the cinema? The answer is somewhat straightforward. 8 tickets at £4.50 each will be 8 times £4.50, which we can calculate, giving us £36. This is a simple calculation, but it is a direct proportion situation. Consider there are 2 things that can vary here: the number of people going to the cinema and the total money paid for the tickets. These 2 things will change. Remember, one person costs £4.50. Each additional person that goes to the cinema costs £4.50 more. So it's directly proportional. If we increase the number of people, we increase the cost by the same amount for each person. This is the classic direct proportion situation. Both things that can vary increase, and they increase by the same amount each time. Consider this as an example. If 1 centimeter cubed of lead weighs 11.3 grams, what is the weight of 6 centimeters cubed of lead? We can use ratios if we want. 1 centimeter cubed is equivalent to 11.3 grams. We know these things will increase in proportion. So if we multiply the left-hand side of our ratio by 6, we multiply the right-hand side of the ratio by 6. Calculating, this gives us that 6 centimeters cubed would weigh 67.8 grams. Now for 0.8 centimeters cubed, we know that 1 centimeter cubed is equivalent to 11.3 grams. Multiplying both sides by 0.8, 0.8 times 1 centimeter cubed would be 0.8 times 11.3 grams. So this is 0.8 centimeters cubed, and this would weigh 9.04 grams.